Hey, you recording?
Yep.
Well, I'm about to drink this egg.
It's so, like, close up.
Drink this egg.
Yes. That egg.
Cold dead egg. Jenna, don't taste it, just do it.
Don't taste.
Close your eyes and do it. That's what I did.
Kim bacon, Kim bacon, Kim bacon.
Some bacon.
Come on, don't. You have to do it all at once.
I did.
You did?
Wait, there's a.
Oh, you nasty!
I didn't even taste it. Look, it's not bad. Try it. They're faggots. I think I'm okay. Oh, I'm good.